Hi, thank you so much for a very detailed email you sent me. I believe this email is very helpful in precisely identifying what uh, the team is looking for. Based on this request, I have modified um, my ask in the Google Console. I'm only asking the drive.file access in the for the drive section. And the calendar event remains as is because we are providing scheduling link to sync calendars and modify and update. And also the Gmail one, I have modified from two different accesses to gmail.modify. Um, so it will not be Gmail read only, Gmail send. It will just be Gmail modify. And I will show one by one how the process actually works on my end. So just to show, this is our home page, and so I'm going to show the login process here. This is um, you know Google Workspace authentication. Um, we identify authorized user and OAuth consent page. There's a exact client ID. And as you can see, only three accesses are being requested now as per the email, and we approve it. After approval, uh, we will see the list of domains that are allowed. These are the three domains that I had previously selected. And so for these three domains, we are basically pulling all the emails. So as you can see, these are the three domains: GovTribe, SEMrush, and there will be probably a third one somewhere down here, Supabase. Right? So those three are the domains. So we are syncing emails based on a specific domain that the user is selecting at the time of onboarding. And then, as you can see here, there are email classification happening. Certain emails are no reply or quick reply, and I can obviously turn these into quick reply. So this one will become two, right? So now you got two different emails drafted and ready to go. So these are the two, for example, the response. And for the purpose of showing you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send email to one of my other email addresses to show that this works, right? So I'm going to send to Syed at agent 07. I'm going to click on send reply, and that is gone. Excuse me. So that email will come through here. As you can see, that email came through. And so that's the number one thing we are doing here is syncing the email of the domains that user has selected and then providing drafts ready to go and then sending on users' behalf, which you saw here. All right, so that's number one. The number two that you asked for is the calendar. On the calendar side, look, we have quite a few other things we are doing. We have something like, let's say, link for scheduling. And this is the scheduling link that we provide to our users. And this is also the link that an AI agent can utilize when trying to book a meeting. And so what happens is the users come here and they can, let me, uh, John Doe, let me select a unique name, and then I'm going to send over to again a different email, say that agent 07. And so what will happen is because we are booking through the scheduling link of this user where you sent email, and I'm booking to this particular email, say that agent 07. So you will see that booking invitation come through in this one. As you can see, John Doe that we set up for 9:30 Wednesday, May 27 came through, right? And the same invitation uh, is coming here as new booking. And if I go to the calendar, that will be reflected. So basically that meeting has updated the John Doe meeting here. Um, and so it updates my calendar. Now, what needs to happen is it needs to also update in the meetings. It takes a little bit because there's a sync schedule. It's like a 5 minute schedule. And I can also trigger it, but that meeting will show up in some time here. So that's number two. Basically, we are scheduling and we are managing the users' calendar using the links, and then we are presenting all this meeting just came through. So it takes about a minute or so. And of course, we are able to accept or decline, right? I'm going to accept. So the meeting has been accepted. That will be affected here. As you saw, this one turned as an accepted meeting. So that's what we are doing. We are managing, scheduling and managing the calendar on users' behalf. And of course, all the past meetings will show up here. So that's the second part. The third part is around Vault. Now, Vault, I want to clarify that Vault is our primary storage. The secondary storage is basically Google Drive because some of our customers look for keeping their documents in Google Drive itself. So what we do here is I want to show you that I click on connect to Google Drive. I do the same thing, select the user and agree to the privacy terms. And as you can see, this is only requesting one access now. And I allow this, and that should, it takes some time, typically 15-30 seconds, but it will get connected. As soon as I walk away, it will show that it has been connected. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to Google Drive. Okay, so let me just go back here. This is connected, as you can see. So now when I go to Google Drive, it is connected, so it is showing me to link. This is, I believe, the picker that Google itself provides. And so what I do is I connect my pricing folder and create another folder inside Agent 7 Vault called pricing. So I create this secure folder, and what it allows me to do is upload files. So now I can come here on my downloads. Let's say I upload a different file. Let's say I upload a file like that. So now users are, after connecting, they're able to upload this AI tax perfect comprehensive PDF. And for the purpose of LLM, we do parsing and chunking, and we store that as part of so that LLM can use this document at the right place at the right time. And then the other part of this is the Google Drive. So let me show you what the Google Drive looks like, right? So if I come down to Drive, you see this one, AI Tax Perfect Comprehensiveness. This just got created at 11:40 p.m. You can see the time here, 11:40 p.m. The pricing is a folder where it is set up. So as you can see, this is Agent 07 Vault. Within the Agent 07 Vault pricing folder, this is what we created here, right? So we created within Agent 07 folder. So that's fundamentally what we do. To recap, the authentication is just strictly following what you recommended here, that we narrowed down to focus on Gmail.modify only, calendar dot events, this one, which I already had, and the drive dot file only. And all three functionalities are being used. The email is for syncing emails specific to the domain that user has selected. It is not syncing all these emails that user has. It is only syncing the emails. So I can show you the email box here as well. If I search for something like, let me see what the email was, right? So the last email was from GovTribe, right? So I'm gonna search for GovTribe and uh, May updates, try GovTribe. So as you can see, GovTribe, May updates is here. Uh, attending GPC this year is here. So it's the GovTribe emails are being pulled in. If I select a different deal like RF, right, which is not in here, and so I show you there were email from RF. As you can see, these are the emails from RF, but they would not be present in our synced email base, right? Because they do not exist. So we are specifically syncing for the deals selected here, showing them here, drafting email response, sending, and that is it for email, and the scheduling is for calendar. Vault is for storing. I hope I've showed everything, but let me know appreciate your support and everything.